All right, good morning everybody. We are back in the shop and we are getting back on the Megamoto full suspension mini bike. Where we last left off was basically we were about to build a swing arm, but we're waiting on parts for it. So, I checked around and tried to get some parts cut here and there, and it didn't really work out. And then I found this company, Send Cut Send. Some of my YouTube people that I watch use this company, and so I ordered the brackets from them. This is how they came. Super nice packaging. I was pretty impressed. Made in the USA sticker there. It's in this nice little flat box. Open it up. Got a little catalog, little piece of candy, sticker, and everything is in this nice package. So this is basically the flat plate kit to build the swing arm. And this cost me from Send Cut Send a little over $60 to my door. So it's not super cheap, but it's a beautiful product. I mean, it's all laser cut, clean, vacuum packed or whatever this is on here, and ready to go. So now that we have those parts, we're going to get our jig up here, and we need to start organizing, get some stuff put away, and then we need to turn to the tubing bender and bend up the tubing for our swing arm. And then in order to do that, I did some I had some notes from when I last did this, so I can put them on this cabinet right here. So this is basically it. Each piece of tubing, there's 4 of them, 21 inches long. You bend the first one 51 degrees, second one 23 degrees, the rotation is 180, so you bend that first bend, then you turn it, and then when you're all done, you end up cutting 1.5 inches off of that very first bend there. So that's it. We gotta cut some tubes to 21 inches, get stuff set up, and ready to get this swing arm built. All right, so I just went over to my rack here, and I could swear I had some 1-inch tubing up there, but I was wrong. I don't know when I used the last piece of 1-inch tubing, so I guess I'm running to the metal store. guys, we're at a point, this needs to cool, but. Alright, so we're at a point where we can start mocking this thing up for real. What is left? So here's all the brackets for the frame. Those go on there like that. There's our gusset. Here's our upper shock tabs. That's all we got left. So I'm gonna let this cool. Gonna clean it up with the wire wheel, and then the other thing that we need to weld to this is the chain tensioner, which goes on this side, and I don't know where it's gonna mount yet. So we gotta get this thing all mocked up. I think we're gonna get the wheel and tire in here, and all the spacers and everything, and all the parts up here, and then we'll get it over to the bike, and we'll get this thing mocked up and welded on here, hopefully today. Alright guys, as you can tell, something has happened to my voice. I have been feeling under the weather and today it has taken a turn, but
That's not why I'm talking to you. This sounds ridiculous, but we have suspension action. This is just tacked in, and I actually, when I first tried to cycle it, I only had the tacks on the top of this tube, and the tube peeled up, so I had to re-tack it down better. But we got suspension action. So we have suspension working. It's just tacked in. I gotta finish that, but I wanted to let you guys know. This is it for this video. The next video you're gonna see, we're gonna take this thing and I gotta do something about the kickstand. I might have to move the pegs forward. I think they're okay where they are, but we'll see. I gotta take a look at that, see if I need to move the pegs, go backwards, actually not forward. I gotta do something about the kickstand. You know, we gotta make this thing, we gotta finish this sucker, so. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to get notified of new videos. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.